Hey, it's your boy Joey. I've made this video already. I'm pretty annoyed that I've lost my footage. But I'm gonna try and do one video a month. We have a new friend. Get out of there. Come. Well, that's Bram Stoker. We still got Mikey Myers. But I'm going to finish getting dressed, and then we're going to go outside and talk about all the things I wanted to talk about. What? A second. Oh, there. He's like 6 months old, I think. My little buddy. He's crazy. He's going after the catnip ball. But yeah, I'm gonna get dressed and then we'll talk more. All right, here we are. We're back. Definitely need to replace this. We're in the camper. I'm going to get the camper running again temporarily so I can have some private space. Because in the house, I don't get any shit. But it's kind of just been used as storage for too long. That's my burn pile. I need to burn all that bullshit. But the flatbed is paid off. Get out here. Oh no! Definitely need to get a new tripod thing. Oh yeah, this doesn't help me at all. But we got the motorcycle. This thing is El Garbage-o, but one day I'll make it awesome. This is all trash. The tank is garbage. Like, it sucks. But, new project. Got this for free. It needs a new axle here, carb rebuild, put back together properly. Honda Foreman Rubicon. 4-wheel drive. That'll be fun. One of my Christmas trees. We got this trailer. This is going to be turned into my scrap hauler trailer. Looking for a flatbed camper for the truck, but all the ones in my price range either sell too fast or dudes don't respond. That's going to become a flatbed hauler for all the toys. I'm excited for this. I did so much work last year. It's going to look so good. I will have to move all the trees though. I wanted the dogwood there, but it's got to get moved back and out so it doesn't fuck all of this up. And the cherry trees, there's 6 or 7 of them. Those will get scattered in the yard. So that'll be really cool. We got this over here. The mower. This is gonna end up being the mud mower or something. It runs. I need a new battery. And I need to figure out how to run the drive belt because it's broken and it didn't work properly anyways. And we got the 2 Jeeps. The Wagoneer is going to stay whole. I'm going to get rid of a lot of it, sell it. But the CJ, we've decided we're just keeping the body because this frame is garbage. Like, yikes. That's bad. I mean, the body's not great. But we're gonna do something crazy with this. And crazy thing, oh, frozen water in the diffs. This T case is locked up for some reason. But yeah, all that's gonna get sold. AMC 360 transfer case, transmission, axles and frame are gonna get scrapped. A bunch of scrap there I'm gonna just scrap out. This mamma jamma. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna do, how much I'm gonna keep. But the inside stuff is still in pretty good shape. 3 tires hold air, 1 doesn't. They're all garbage though. But yeah, this is gonna be a fun going to town vehicle eventually. Whew. But yeah, I'm on new meds. I started therapy. Things are going well. And 1 year from my birthday, December 27th, so this December, I'm leaving Michigan. I'll have to come back because I won't be able to take all my toys with me. But I'll find a spot to store them for a little while until I get some property where I'll end up. Plan is to end up in Texas. But I want to do some stuff for my happiness, for my life. Like drive to Alaska and back, start some businesses. But in the end, it's going to be Texas, hill country area. Going to open a ranch. Going to have all sorts of animals, and I'm going to use it as a therapy ranch and help people, like my brother and my mom. But it's cold. You got to figure out why there's no power in the camper. I need power to run the heater. So I'm going to sign off for now. And yeah, hopefully I'll have a video a month at least. Once work, oh, I got my chauffeur license, so work, I'll be working full time. So I won't be doing a lot around here, so my life will be kind of boring. Might try and record the drives time-lapse style. That might be kind of cool. But yeah, for now, because I can't breathe well and everything, I'm gonna say peace out. Keep working on stuff. Don't give up.